AMD Ryzen 5 7600X 3D released in the US for $299 as a Microcenter exclusive. Ryzen 5 7600X 3D costs $229, but most gamers won't be able to buy it. AMD launches 6-core X3D SKU as Microcenter exclusive. There is good news and bad news. The good news is that the rumors were true. There is indeed a 6-core Ryzen 5 7600X 3D launching. Another piece of good news is that this announcement is happening even earlier than the rumored September date. The bad news is that the CPU is exclusive to one retailer in the US, according to Tom Hardware. AMD has confirmed the launch of its Ryzen 5 7600X 3D processor at $299, available exclusive through Microcenter. It is not available as a standalone processor for DIY enthusiasts, but is offered in a bundle with a motherboard and memory for $449, which is quite a good deal. And if you can see, what they are offering is Asus TUF Gaming B650 plus Wi-Fi and AMD Ryzen 76X 3D WO Cool and 32GB with 2 sticks of DDR5 6000 C32FXB. The 7600X 3D is now the cheapest Zen 4 processor with 3D V-Cache and the most affordable option for the AM5 platform at this time. AMD has not yet launched any Zen 5 part with the X3D feature. These are expected to come later. We are excited to once again partner with AMD to bring cutting-edge processor technology to our customer. The Ryzen 5 7600X 3D represents a significant step forward in making high-performance cache-rich processors more accessible to a wider range of PC enthusiasts. Warren Benison, Chief Merchandising Officer at Microcenter. The Ryzen 5 7600X 3D offers 6-core with a clock speed ranging from 4.1 to 4.7, 6 MHz lower than the Ryzen 5 7600X. The CPU features an additional 64 MB of L3 cache added to 1 CCD, which combined with the existing 32 MB expands the total L3 cache to 96 MB. The processor supports up to 128GB of DDR5 5200 memory and up to 24 PCIe 5.0 lanes. AMD confirms that the Ryzen 5 7600X 3D has a 65W TDP, not 120W, like the 7800X 3D, which is a good news. Microcenter has exclusive rights to this processor, offering it only as a bundle with Asus TUF B650 plus Wi-Fi motherboard and 32GB of DDR5 6000 memory. There is no information about launch in other regions. Sadly, the bundle will go live on Microcenter website starting from September 3rd. And if we can see here about the processor that they launch is Ryzen 5 7600X 3D with 6-core 12-thread 4.7 boost clock, TDP of 65W, cache of L3102, and the launch price is $299.